Dr. Lauritsen went on to testify that a contact wound is one where the gun used is touching the skin. He also said that the one piece of evidence that should be put at the top of the list in ruling this case a suicide is the evidence of blood found on Angel Downs' right hand. Now, from the beginning of this trial, the state has alleged that Steve Nodine showered before going in for questioning with Baldwin County Sheriff's Office investigators. In fact, just yesterday, she questioned a witness multiple times about her recollection of Steve being covered in suntan oil after a trip to Pensacola Beach on Mother's Day, which is the day that Angel Downs was found shot in her driveway. The investigators who questioned Nodine on that night say he didn't smell of sunscreen. Today, the defense called in a private investigator to testify about what she found at Timber Creek Country Club. The defense called in a private investigator who testified that she walked the grounds around the clubhouse at Timber Creek and no showers were visible. Prosecutor Judy Newcomb found her testimony insufficient.
Yeah, a private investigator that didn't bother to ask anybody that worked there to make sure what she was seeing was correct. I would say she wasn't looking for showers.
The defense also questioned the man who owns Quality Alarm Systems and secures Timber Creek's clubhouse. Gerald Hesse testified that the clubhouse was armed at 7:38 and again at 7:39, and no motion was detected until 3 a.m. the next morning, May 10th. The defense called Dr. Charles Rich, an expert in psychiatry and suicide. Dr. Rich testified that there are three things considered contributors to suicide: interpersonal relationship problems or losses, financial problems, and health problems. Nisley asked Dr. Rich, "Do you have an opinion as to whether or not Ms. Downs committed suicide?" Dr. Rich said she had a profile that was completely consistent with suicide. Newcomb responded to that testimony.
There's probably about 300,000 Alabamians that are out there walking around right now that have all those indicators. Again, I don't think there's evidence to show she has all those indicators.
The defense still maintains Downs killed herself.
How obvious is this going to have to be? The lady has blood on her hand, there's blood on the gun, there is no shower, there is no blood anywhere on Mr. Nodine, his truck. He couldn't have wiped it off if he had wanted to when he got in that car. There would have been blood. How obvious is the case going to have to be?
Defense attorney Dennis Nisley asked the psychiatric expert Dr. Charles Rich if there are anything that can offset the suicidal indicators. Those again are health, financial, and interpersonal problems. Dr. Rich responded on the stand by saying protectors include having a stable relationship and marriage and also having young children at home. Dennis Nisley pointed out very quickly to the jury that Angel Downs had neither. Reporting live from the Baldwin County Courthouse, I'm Libby Amos for Fox 10 News.
All right, Libby, thanks.